Hello and welcome to Simon Maskell Ceramics. Your pottery, it's been fired. It is December the 14th, 2018. If you're stuck for a Christmas present and want to gift somebody some Pottery Workshops, details of the gift certificate are on the website. Let's crack on and see what's popped out of the kiln. We have by Joan a mug done in white shiny, open weave dishcloth pressed into the clay to give the pattern. It's come out well. Peter's done a leaf mug with blue glaze that's been wiped back. It's come out good. Also, Peter's done these draw pulls. Are made from porcelain. He's made the top convex and put some glass in the top. You can see how the glass has pooled and the colours gathered to give quite a nice effect. From Jess, a mug, dark blue, white back. It's come out very well. Her dad, when he was over from America, made this mug which Jess has glazed for. Yellow inside. Floral patterns on these mugs made by me, black background, yellow slip to highlight the leaves. It's an orange mug with some red and green, a little bit of black. It's a white mug. There's a pendant. I found some brown gold glaze, and you can see where it's pooled in the middle there and produced some crystals. That's come out quite well. There's another one there which is stuck to the piece of kiln shelf. Cass made this very nice little man. It's all hollow, so there's quite a lot of work in there and joining all the pieces up. He's come out well. That's going to her nephew in Australia. From Elaine, some Christmas trees, flat clay. That's good. Jules has done this. I think this is a tea light holder with some leaves on. Nice dark green. Christmassy. A couple of Father Christmases from Karen. And from Jessie, opposed to Jess, who we saw the mugs from earlier, these rather nice bowls. The actual shape of the bowl, I've got a plaster mould that you push the clay into, so that happens quite quickly, and then she spent some time decorating them with coloured slips. Shiny glaze. There's another one here. Both of these are Christmas presents. There's been a little bit of a Christmas rush here to get everything fired. It's a bowl by me, nothing much to speak of there. This is Peter's salt and pepper top. His last lid shrunk a bit too much and it was a bit short, so he's remade it. Nice jug from Rachel. Malachite glaze. It's got a lot of copper in it. And a mug for Rachel's mum for Christmas. Also, Rachel's done this platter. First of all, she painted it, slipped it white and slipped it black, and then scraped through the black to reveal the white, which is called sgraffito. It's come out quite effectively, shiny glaze. Very nice lamp holder from Elaine. She's done this design with cut out circles Put various glazes on them. Covered it in turquoise satin. Bit of a perfectionist, Denise, so she might not like the variation of the glaze, but I always like that. Hopefully she'll be pleased with it. This is something that somebody started off who wasn't able to return, so I've finished it. I've made it into a probably a big fat candle holder. Various glazes and slips. You can see you get all sorts of finishes, colours. Quite random, really. Octopus from Heather. The number 1, this is a house number. I think it might be for beaches and cream at colour coats, but I'm not sure. It's come out really well. John Maltby glaze. And it's not often used, but it's got quite a lot of variation in it. Where it's thick, it comes out greeny yellow. But looks quite sea-like. Turquoise satin, I think she's got on the octopus itself. And this isn't finished yet. This is hollow from Karen, this polar bear, which is very good. It's still got to be bisqued and glazed, so I'm sure you'll see that again. Thank you for watching this video. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care.